Good morning, everyone. It is an absolute honor for me to welcome you all to today's 75th Independence Day celebration. This मतलब सिर्फ ध्वज को लहराना नहीं है, बल्कि अपने देश को मजबूत और सशक्त बनाने में सहायता करना भी है. We salute and thank you, our freedom fighters who gave their lives and made great sacrifices. This is the reason we are here together to celebrate this day. Let us dedicate this Independence Day to the sons of the nation. माँ बाप की मूरत है गुरु, कलयुग में भगवान की सूरत है गुरु. गुरु पूर्णिमा के दिन करते हैं आभार से सलाम. आओ इस गुरु पूर्णिमा पर करें अपने गुरु को प्रणाम. Guru is everything in our eternal life. Nothing is possible without him. Life needs some power to push you up, and Guru is that superpower. Today, along with Independence Day, we are also going to celebrate Guru Purnima. Before I start the program, let me tell you the rules of maintaining discipline. No talking unless audience participation is requested by the performers. Use good posture, mute your mic, avoid other sounds that can disturb the people around you and performers. Thank you. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलिस्तान हमारा. I, Seema R and Annapurna ma'am will be the MC for today's program. I wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. I extend my warm greetings to you all. Action. It is the process of talking with God with energy in order to achieve a purpose. Let us begin our program by seeking the blessings of God with a prayer song. I now request Niti to grace the occasion with the prayer song. Over to Deepa ma'am.
त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा रमन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि.
Thank you, Nidhi, for making us to feel the presence of God. Now I welcome Sunanda ma'am to give welcome speech on e-stage.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Sunanda Bakshi from Tapovan School. देश सलामे इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है. Today is a day to show our love for the land, remember the decades of sacrifices and struggles of our freedom fighters, the land on which we live, we breathe upon. All thanks to our brave warriors. जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहां बहती गंगा है, जहां अनेकता में एकता है, सत्यमेव जयते जहां का नारा है, वो वतन हिंदुस्तान हमारा है. Before beginning with the celebrations of this glorious day, I feel honored in welcoming the chief guest for the day, Rotarian Dr. B.D. Patel, who is a renowned homeopathic medicine practitioner, Mr. Dhirendra Kumar, Assistant Commandant, ITB Police, Guest of Honor Sri J.V.R. Sarma Sir, and our very own respected Principal Ma'am, HM Ma'ams, Jyoti Ma'am, teachers, non-teaching members, parents, and my beloved children of this esteemed institution, Tapovan School. I'd also like to take a moment to say that on this Independence Day, let's not just stop by thanking the soldiers and freedom fighters who fought at the borders, but also the people who are helping us to make this country corona-free inside the borders, the doctors, nurses, policemen, ambulance crews, and all our frontline heroes. Our flag doesn't fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. So let's give a tribute to all the national heroes of our country. Thank you.
Thank you for a very warm welcome, ma'am. We are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in all aspirational districts across the country. Now, I would welcome Seema ma'am to say about importance of Amrit Mahotsav.
थैंक यू अन्नपूर्णा मैम। हर मन का उत्सव आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव। आज मैं आप लोगों को अमृत महोत्सव का महत्व बताने जा रही हूँ। आज जब हम आजादी की 75वीं वर्षगांठ मनाने के लिए आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव मना रहे हैं, तो इस समय हर उन देश प्रेमियों को याद करते हैं जिन्होंने अपने सारे सुखों को ठोकर मारकर अंग्रेजों से केवल इसलिए लोहा लिया था ताकि दूसरे देशवासी एवं भावी भारतीय सुख चैन और सम्मान के साथ जी सके। निश्चित रूप से उनके बलिदान रंग लाए। हमारा यह कर्तव्य होता है कि हमें किसी भी राजनीतिक, सांस्कृतिक और किसी भी अन्य प्रकार की पराधीनता को अपनाना नहीं चाहिए। हर राष्ट्र के लिए स्वाधीनता का बहुत महत्व होता है। कोई भी राष्ट्र तभी उन्नति कर सकता है जब वह स्वतंत्र हो। हमें आत्मनिर्भर भारत, शक्तिशाली भारत, स्वावलंबी भारत के सपने को सच करते हुए अपनी कर्तव्य परायण भावना का परिचय राष्ट्र के प्रति समर्पित होकर करना चाहिए, ताकि भविष्य में कोई भी आसुरी शक्ति भारत की ओर आंख उठाकर भी ना देख सके। हमारे पूर्वजों ने हमें जो आजादी दी है उसे हमें सुरक्षित रखना है तथा उन्नति के मार्ग पर अग्रसर रहना है। यह कहकर मैं यह भाषण समाप्त करना चाहती हूँ। धन्यवाद। Now we will have our traditional auspicious flag waving ceremony as a tribute to our motherland by Murli sir.
Yes.
Seema ma'am?
National anthem followed by Vande Mataram.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् कोटिकोटिकण्ठा कलकलनिनादकराले कोटिकोटिभुजैर्धृता खरकरवाले अबला किनुमायतो बले बहुबलधारिणीं नमामि तारिणीं रिपुदलवारिणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरम् तुमि विद्या तुमि धर्म तुमि हृदि तुमि मर्म त्वं हि प्राणः शरीरे बाहुते तुमि मा शक्ति हृदये तुमि मा भक्ति तोमारये प्रतिमा गडे मंदिरे मंदिरे वन्दे मातरम् त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरणधारिणी कमला कमलदलविहारिणी वाणी विद्यादायिनी नमामि त्वां नमामि कमलाम् अमलाम् अतुलां सुजलां सुफलाम्
बोलो भारत माता की। बोलो भारत माता की
Jai.
जय।
Thank you, Asha ma'am, for a mesmerizing performance. A big round of applause. Now, I would like to welcome our Jyoti ma'am to explain the importance of Sanatan Bharat to Adhunatan Bharat.
Patel sir, Dhirendra Kumar ji, Sharma sir, Vani ma'am, all my fellow teachers, parents and students. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Today's India is of course a reflection of our past. I will therefore briefly explain the importance or the role of Sanatan Dharma which has helped in shaping it. Adhunatan Bharat or the New Bharat is the largest democracy, a growing economy, moving towards becoming a developed country. This has become so by following the ancient principles of Sanatan Dharma. What is Sanatan Dharma? Sanatan means eternal or imperishable. Dharma, the closest meaning is natural law. Dharanat dharma ityahuhu dharmena vidrutaha prajaha. Dharma is what supports society and strengthens its fabric. So Sanatan Dharma could be understood as eternal natural law. A quote in Hindi says it very clearly. वर्तमान जो भूतकाल में भी वही था और भविष्यकाल में भी वही रहेगा, वह वर्तमान ही सनातन है. Sanatan Dharma has taught us principles like courage, purity of thought, truthfulness, etc., which were inculcated into our living philosophy and which is what helped our society to survive and thrive in spite of problems along the way. Conquests and colonialism gave us a huge setback. We were the richest country in the world, not only in terms of wealth, but also towards contributions in science and technology, astronomy, mathematics, literature, architecture, etc. We need to bring back our past glory, and we are on the path to regaining it. Let's all work towards it. In the current day situation, we are one of the largest inclusive democracies, not imposing any religious practices, paving way for the growth of every individual and growth of the economy. We have been able to adapt ourselves to the global changes merely because of our past Sanatan principles and following the tenets of Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Thank you.
History says that yesterday was happiness. Science says that tomorrow will be happiness. But religion says if the mind is true and the heart is good, then every day will be full of happiness. Thank you, Mom, for a wonderful presentation. Over to Seema, Mom.
Next, I would like to call upon our respected principal, J.A. Vani Sharma, the sculpture of human character, a seasonal scholar and navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to say a few words.
Shubhodayam. I hope all of you can hear me. And this is the 75th year Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav. What a wonderful wording it is. So there can't be better way to show that we are an independent India. So that is the reason even our school theme we have taken as Sanatana Bharat to Adhunatana Bharat, because we have become Samartha Bharat. And from now on, as per our Abdul Kalamji's dream, though we missed 2020, we should gear up. We have started to be very, very brave. Samartha Bharat, our beginning, has started by 2020. And you children are very, very fortunate to be in a completely independent and most advanced super nation of the world, so that you will feel proud. And we are making the road, and our previous freedom fighters struggled. But that generation during the independence, they have struggled a lot. You all know very well to get the freedom. Whereas middle way, we all have tried to make the road for you people to walk on. So a road to success is always under construction. So naturally, don't worry, children. Future is yours. So all the teachers, the entire Tapovan team, our president, our school's president, Dr. JVR Sharma, me, my teachers, and your parents, everybody is there behind you for you to enjoy the super country in the world. So I don't want to take much time, because you all of you are waiting to see your own work. See, we are taking the back seat so that my young teen teachers and the students will benefit out of these functions. The whole intention is to design thinking so that you will start thinking in the right direction, and then you will also start working in the right direction. So once again, with a heart full of happiness, Amrutavani is telling Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to go on. Thank you, everybody. Thank you once again. Over to the...
Thank you, Anima. Thank you, Anima. As usual, your speech brought new insight from current research. Your talks always motivate us to stick with our work. Thank you, ma'am. Here we have Gita ma'am, our primary HM, to say about the importance of Guru Vandana.
present here on this 74th Independence Day and Guru Vandana celebrations. Guru Vandana means it's all about students and Shishyas expressing their love, gratitude and respect for the teachers and Gurus. It is recognizing their service, contributions to our great teachers and Gurus at this opportunity. We do make sure that our children understand and appreciate our traditional Hindu values and culture, Sanatana Dharma, into our family fold. Thank you very much. I am grateful.
Thank you, Geeta ma'am, for sharing the information. Over to Annapurna ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to welcome our high school children to perform a Guru Vandana dance.
गरुडगमन तव चरण कमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् गरुडगमन तव चरण कमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव जल जनयन विपिन बुद्धिहरण मुख विबुध विनुत पद पद्म जल जनयन विपिन बुद्धिहरण मुख विबुध विनुत पद पद्म विबुध विनुत पद पद्म मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव भुजगशयन भव मदन जनक मम जनन मरण भयहारी भुजगशयन भव मदन जनक मम जनन मरण भयहारी जनन मरण भयहारी मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव शङ्ख चक्रधर दुष्ट दैत्यहर सर्वलोक शरणा शङ्ख चक्रधर दुष्ट दैत्यहर सर्वलोक शरणा सर्वलोक शरणा मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव अगणित गुणगण शरण शरणद विदलित सुररि पुजान अगणित गुणगण शरण शरणद विदलित सुररि पुजान विदलित सुररि पुजान मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव भक्तवर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थम् भक्तवर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थम् पाहि भारती तीर्थम् मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव गरुडगमन तव चरण कमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् गरुडगमन तव चरण कमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् मनसि लसतु मम नित्यम् मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव मम तापमपा गुरुदेव मम पापमपा गुरुदेव
Guru Vandana, heartfelt Vandana to all teachers. This performance is dedicated to all Gurus, your teacher, your inspiration and your mentor. Thank you, children. Now, I would like to request Janki ma'am to give introduction of our chief guest, B.D. Patel sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. 75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಮೃತ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಇಂದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಭೆಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಿರಪರಿಚಿತರಿರುವಂತಹ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ.ಡಿ. ಪಟೇಲ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ ಹಾಗೂ 75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇವರು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿರಪರಿಚಿತರೇ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪರಿಚಿತವಾಗಿಯೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ವೃತ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ ವೈದ್ಯರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನ ಆಗಿಂದಾಗೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಹೋಮಿಯೋ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು ಇವರು. ಇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ ಸಮಯದ ಅಭಾವ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಈ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ ಇವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕುರಿತು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
Shubhodaya, friends. We are celebrating Independence Day along with Guru Vandana. Let us remember the Adi Guru is Vedavyas. He is called the first Guru who started teaching everyone the Sanatana Dharma, the Vedas, the Upanishads, and so many literature. After him, so many other gurus have followed. Till today, there are gurus who are teaching the right thing to the world. Whenever the world needs something great, it looks towards India. The entire world knows the spiritual knowledge is there only in India. For peace, they look towards India. For tolerance, they look towards India. For bravery, they look towards India. For science, they look towards India. And it is a global guru. India is called as world guru. And we should be proud of that and follow the same Guru Parampara of gaining knowledge and giving knowledge. And today being Independence Day, we should be proud and we should try to make the dreams of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his team to make India as world guru in all fields. We should all contribute towards Rashtra Poshan and Rashtra Rakshan. It means nourishing the country and protecting the country from all other evil things in the world. Friends, let us take a pledge today that whenever we vote, we will not vote for any other reason except country and culture. Jai Hind.
I take this opportunity to thank our chief guest of rendering your precious time and blessing us with your esteemed presence. Thank you so much, sir. Let us enjoy a patriotic song by Shrestha of grade 4.
ದೇವಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಗಿನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಬಂದಿಸಲ
Wow, what a nice song. A big round of applause to Shrestha. Thank you, dear. Now we have display of fancy dress activity. Over to Jayashima.
Thank you, Annapurna ma'am. So we have over here entries of the fancy dress from LKG and UKG students introduced by Nitya ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Nitya. It's been an honor to welcome you on our 75th Independence Day. Today I'm presenting our little ones in beautiful freedom fighter attire from UKG, Nikhil.
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Happy Independence Day for all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Nikhil. Nikita as Rani Chennamma.
Tigalade badkuvevu. Tigalade sayuvevu. Har har Mahadev. Happy Independence to all.
Riyan Das as Subhash Chandra Bose.
He told, give me your blood. I will give you freedom.
Akira as Mother Teresa.
Spread love to everywhere to go.
Yashaswini as Sarojini Naidu.
I am Sarojini Naidu. I'm serious graduate. May tasty justice. K.E. Thank you.
Tanisha and Tanvi as Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Hello, Shalondar, my child. मैं अपनी जानती नहीं दूंगी. Thank you all.
Vihan Raju as Bhagat Singh.
Inkilab Zindabad.
As APJ Abdul Kalam.
He once said, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Thank you, everyone.
Parinit as Jawaharlal Nehru.
Haram, haram, hey. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, children. Now we'll have our LKG kids. Vedat as Mahatma Gandhi.
I am Gandhiji. Be the change you want to see in the world.
Atar as Sardar Vallabhai Patel.
I am Sardar Vallabhai Patel.
Take the
part of
Dharma.
Vihan as Chandrasekhar Azad. Good morning.
Few more entries from LKG and UKG with Pragati from LKG and Rihan from UKG. Next we have the fancy dress entries from the primary school students. Loshika.
Buddham saranam gacchami. Dhammam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Saranam.
And Advika.
ನಾನು ರಾಣಿ ಚಂದಮ್ಮ. ಕಪ್ಪ ಬೇಕ ಕಪ್ಪ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರೆ, ನೀವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಂಧು ಮಿತ್ರರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ಜೈ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆ.
Buddham.
Next from grade 2, Pragati.
ईश्वर ही सत्य है, सत्य ही शिव है, शिव ही सुंदर है, जागो उठकर देखो, जीवन जो उजगर है. सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम.
Grade 2, Vivaan.
कई रूप हैं और मेरे कई नाम भी हैं, जैसे कि कृष्णा, कान्हा और विमान। मैं कभी कभी माखन चो बन जाता हूँ, तो कभी मैं ग्वाला बन के गाय को चराता हूँ, और कभी कभी मैं जो हूँ अपनी चुटकी अंगली को और लेके पहाड़ उठा लेता हूँ और लोगों की रक्षा करता हूँ। और मैं अपने बांसुरी बजाकर अपने गोपियों के साथ रास रचाता हूँ। जब जब इस धरती पे नाश होगा, तब तक इस धरती में मैं अनेक रूपों में जन्म लेता रहूंगा। धन्यवाद। ईश्वर की
Grade 2, Yashmit.
Hi, my name is Yashmit. I am from 2nd standard. Now I am in Vishnu God dress. Dharma Rakshiti Rakshitaha. Hi.
Grade 2, Neha.
ಈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಅವನೆಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅವನ್ ಮನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವಿರೋ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ ಕೈಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ರಾಧೆ. ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪನ ಹತ್ರ 1,00,000 ಹಸುಗಳಿವೆ. ನಾನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾರ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ ಮಾತ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನನ್ಗುಳಿರೋಷ್ಟು ಯೋಚನೆ ಆ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂಗುಳಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಕೂಡ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ. ದಿನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಅವ್ನ್ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Aryan as Krishna and Manit.
ಶಕ್ತಿಧರ ಕಂದ ವಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಸುಂದರ ದೇವಸೇನ ಮನಃಕಾಂತ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕೇಯ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಓಂ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ
From Grade 3, Pranav.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರಣವ್. ನಾನು 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ದಿನ 12ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ ಬಸವಣ್ಣನವರ ಪಾತ್ರಧಾರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಖಳಬೇಡ ಖಳಬೇಡ ಹುಸಿಯ ನುಡಿಯಲು ಬೇಡ ಮುನಿಯಬೇಡ ಅನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಅಸಹ್ಯ ಪಡಬೇಡ ತನ್ನ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಬೇಡ ಇದೀರ ಅಲಿಯಲು ಬೇಡ ಇದೇ ಅಂತರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಇದೇ ಬಹಿರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವನ ಒಲಿಸುವ ಪರಿ. ಶರಣು ಶರಣು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Urvaj.
Good morning everyone. I am your Jawaharlal Nehru. I am your president. I love children. I love you all children. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Avantika.
Hi everyone, I am Avantika Jain of grade 3 from Tapovan School. I am going to act like Sudha Murthy. I believe the beauty of person lies in simplicity or confidence. So, live life yourself, not for others. Every human being should run their own marathon. Very good, namaskara.
Grade 4, Prajwal.
Sisters and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of most ancient order of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of religions. And I thank you in the name of millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sides. Thank you.
Lekisha of grade 4.
Hi, greetings to everyone. My name is Shakuntala Devi. I can calculate even faster than a computer or a calculator. I am also called as a human computer. For example, cube root of 786330467. The answer is 932. Cube root of 2038720832. The answer is 1268. So children love maths. Maths are beautiful numbers that tell truth. So maths build a bridge between nation to nation, country to country, and race to race. Still, the children have the fear of maths. To overcome that fear, I have started many workshops. Once Indira Gandhi told that I am working as a good and well ambassador. Some of the books for children I wrote are Puzzle to Puzzle You, More Puzzle, Awakening the Genius in Your Child, Super Memory, The Wonderful Land of Numbers, The Books of Numbers. Nowadays, teachers are working very hard to teach the maths. I request them to attract the children to love the maths. Thank you.
Smita Radhya.
My name is Meera Bhatt. Knowledge is released by self, but love is released by God in self. Jai Shri Krishna.
Grade 5, Naveen.
नमस्कार, मैं नवीन हूँ। मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ और मेरे विद्यालय का नाम तपोवन है। और आज मैं स्वतंत्र दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी के जीवनी के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी का जन्म 23 जनवरी 1897 में हुआ था। उनके पिता का नाम जानकीनाथ बोस तथा माता का नाम प्रभावती था। उनका जन्म केरल के कटक शहर में हुआ था। उनका एक प्रसिद्ध नारा, तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी देता हूँ, जय हिंद, ये बहुत ही लोकप्रिय माना जाता है। 18 अगस्त 1945 में हुआ था। धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।
Jeevita from grade 5.
Hello everybody, I am Indira Gandhi. I was the first woman Prime Minister of India. I was born on 19th November 1917 at Allahabad. I was the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Kamala Nehru. I was married to Firoz Gandhi. I got early education at home. I had sent to England for higher education. During my tenure as Prime Minister, India had made lot of progress in science and technology. Before joining politics, I was the personal assistant and host to my father. I formally joined Congress party and became the party president in 1959. I also served as a member of Rajya Sabha and the cabinet minister in Lal Bahadur Shastri's government. I was Prime Minister of India twice. I was Prime Minister of India from 1966 to 1977 and from 1982 and 1984. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Kudos to all children and parents for making Fancy Dress activity a big success. A very big thanks to Jayashree ma'am for all your hard work on this ma'am. Now, we will have a speech in Kannada on Independence Day by one of our little champ Guru Karthik of grade 5.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗುರು ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್. ನಾನು 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಪೋಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಗೆಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಇಂದು ನಾವು 75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೂ ವಿಶೇಷ ದಿನ. ಭಾರತದ ಮಹಾನ್ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರ ಹಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಠಿಣ ಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15, 1947ರಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಆಡಳಿತದಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದೊರೆಯಿತು. ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಬಹಳ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿತ್ತು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹನೀಯರ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಬಲಿದಾನವನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಗತಿಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲವಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
A big round of applause to Guru Karthik. Thank you, dear. Our students have brilliant qualities and talents to show it to you. Without waiting, I would like to call Vaidehi of grade 4 to perform a patriotic song.
Hello everyone, my name is Vaidehi Kumaran from grade 4. Today I am going to sing a Hindi patriotic song. हम लोगों को समझ सको तो, हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जो बरसे पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। हमें प्यार चाहिए और कुछ पैसे भी, हम ऐसे भी हैं हम हैं वैसे भी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, उल्टी सीधी जैसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी। थोड़ी हमें होशियारी है थोड़ी है नादानी, थोड़ी हमें सच्चाई है थोड़ी बेईमानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। जय हिंद।
It was a beautiful and entertaining performance, dear. Thank you. Over to Simama.
Thank you, Annapurna ma'am. Now we have art and coloring display by our Tapovan students. Over to Deepa ma'am.
Thank you, Seema ma'am. Independence Day has always been a day of great fun and celebrations at Tapovan. And this pandemic year too, the creative minds of Tapovan have left no stone unturned to woo the spirit of our nation. Let me walk you through some wonderful creative art creations by our students. First, the entries from the little wonders of Tapovan Nest. Naitik and Priyandas from UKG, followed by the art entries by our primary students from grade 1st standard to 5th. These are art entries from grade 1. Wonderful art creations by the students of grade 2. Our students have played with tricolors to make these wonderful creations. We have entries from grade 3. The theme is based on patriotism. These are entries from grade 4. Our children have just played with colors to make all these wonderful creations. We have few more entries from grade 4. And lastly from grade 5. Thank you, children, for all the wonderful work you have done. Over to Seema ma'am.
Thank you, Deepa ma'am and students for the wonderful presentation. Now we have PPT on renowned personalities. Over to Jayashree ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Our high school students have come up with a few sentences to speak about renowned personalities from India who have contributed a lot to the development of our country. So let's hear from them. First, we have Ankita from grade 8.
Hi everyone, this is Ankita of grade 8. Firstly, I would like to wish a very happy Independence Day to everyone. Now I am going to talk about an Indian scientist, Tessie Thomas, an inspiration for the many young girls growing up today. Tessie Thomas was born on April of 1963 in Kerala. She is a scientist at DRDO from the year 1988, and she is the first woman scientist to head a missile project in India. In addition to this, she also became the Director General of DRDO. She has finished her education till BTech in Government Engineering College and MTech from Institute of Armament Technology, Pune. Thomas has received the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award for her contribution in making India self-reliant. And at present, Tessie Thomas is still working at DRDO. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankita.
Hi.
Next, we have Archana from grade 10.
Hello everyone, I'm Archana from grade 10th. Firstly, I would like to wish Happy Independence Day to everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the doctors, the DC of Kerala, Divya S. Iyer. Divya S. Iyer is an Indian bureaucrat, medical doctor, editor, author who is a part of Indian Administrative Service. She is the current DC of Puttanamthitta. She was the mission director of Mahatma Gandhi NREGA. Divya S. Iyer was born on 16th October 1984 in Tirunanthapuram, Kerala, to father Shesha Iyer, an retired ISRO employee, and Bhagwati Ammal, an SBT employee. She did her schoolings in Holy Angels Convent, Trivandrum, and a medical degree in Christian Medical College, Vellore. In 2016, she also created a voter awareness campaign with the motto, My Vote, My Future. And later, she was named one of the Kerala Insider's 50 most influential people of 2020 due to her prominent role in the Break the Chain awareness campaign during COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you, Archana. Next, we have again from grade 8, Arpita.
Hello everyone, this is Arpita of grade 8. Today I will speak about PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu, born on 5th July 1995, is an Indian professional badminton player. Over the course of her career, Sindhu has won medals at multiple tournaments including Olympics, the BWF circuit, and a gold at the 2019 World Championship. She is the first Indian to become badminton world champion and only the second individual athlete from India to win 2 consecutive medals at the Olympic Games. She rose to a career-high world ranking of number 2 in April 2017. She was also honored with Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian award in India, in January 2020.
Thank you, Arpita. Over to you again, Seema ma'am.
Thank you, Jayashree ma'am. That was really amazing. Here we have interesting live quiz for audience, which will be conducted by our Janki ma'am.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೀಮಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಈ ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಗಮನಿಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅವರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ರೂ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ 75ನೇ ಅಮೃತ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುವ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿಸಿ. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು? ಯಸ್, ಹೇಳಿ. I cannot see here the participants list.
Shrestha has raised her hand, ma'am.
ma'am.
Saranath, yes. What is the name of this? Idar hesrenu?
Ma'am, it's Ashokalaya.
Ma'am, Hiranmay has raised her hand.
Ashoka Chakra.
Yes,
Ma'am, it's called as
ಅಶೋಕ ಚಕ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಶೋಕ ಸ್ತಂಭ. ಇದು ಸಾರನಾಥದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸಾರನಾಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾದಂತಹ ಸ್ತಂಭ. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಶೋಕನ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಇದು 4 ಮುಖದ ಸಿಂಹವನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಶೋಕ ಚಕ್ರವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ.
1 minute, Janaki ma'am. Ma'am, you could
Yes.
make it full screen, ma'am, because answers can be seen in the next slide.
Start the slideshow, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Slideshow, ma'am, towards the end.
1 minute, ma'am. I can. Actually, I am sharing the screen now. Here I cannot get that slideshow.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a covered with that option.
Okay, ma'am. So you can go down, ma'am. You can see this option below. You can use that.
Yeah. 1 minute. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? 2021ನೇ ಸರ್ವೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಡಿಪಿಯ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ದರ ಎಷ್ಟು?
Ma'am, Huday has raised his hand.
146 lakh crore.
Thank you, Purva.
Yes. Actually, 2021ರ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ತ್ರೈಮಾಸಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತದ ಜಿಡಿಪಿ ದರ 1.6ರಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿದೆ. 2021ರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕತೆಯ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಸಾಧಿಸಬಹುದು ಅಂತ 7.4% ಜಿಡಿಪಿ ದರವನ್ನು RBI ಅಂದಾಜಿಸಿದೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರಸಕ್ತ ಸಾಲಿನ ಸರ್ವೆಯ ಥೀಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಇದ್ರ ಥೀಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೆಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಕೊರೋನಾ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಹಿರಣ್ಮೈ.
Ma'am, it can be COVID-19 pandemic.
Very good, very good. Corona warriors. So next, see the answer. So next, ಈಗಿನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಯಾರು?
One by one, students, please mute yourself.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯ ಸಿಎಂ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಟೋಕಿಯೋ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತೀಯ ತಂಡದ ಬಾವುಟವನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದವರು ಯಾರು?
And Sangamesh and Jyoti Raman have raised. Oh, Jyoti Raman ma'am has raised her hand. Archana is there.
Sangamesh, Jyoti Raman ma'am.
Mirabai
Sorry.
Mary Kom Chopra.
Mirabai
Chopra. Mary Chopra. Mary Kom ma'am.
ಭಾರತದ ಮೇರಿ ಕೋಮ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 6 ವಿಶ್ವ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಗೆದ್ದ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಬಾಕ್ಸರ್ ಎನ್ನುವ ಖ್ಯಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಂತ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿಶ್ವ ಶ್ರೇಯಾಂಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಈ ಸಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಬಾವುಟವನ್ನ ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರು ಟೋಕಿಯೋ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, 46 ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಪದವಿ ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಯಾರು?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Yes.
Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಯಾವ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಬ ಹೊಸ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನವನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದೆ? ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್, ಅಮೆಜಾನ್, ಗೂಗಲ್, ಆಪಲ್?
Google.
Yes, very good.
Microsoft.
ಉತ್ತರ ಗೂಗಲ್. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ನೀತಿ ಆಯೋಗವು ಫ್ರಾಂಟಿಯರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಪ್ಷನ್: ಇಂಟೆಲ್, ಗೂಗಲ್, ಅಮೆಜಾನ್, ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್? ಅಮೆಜಾನ್. ಭಾರತವನ್ನ ಏನು, I cannot see the question. Sorry. Yeah. Thanks for the participating. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I hope you all have enjoyed with this quiz.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Janki ma'am, for conducting the quiz. Over to Anupam.
Are you excited to listen to a brilliant song by one of our students? Let's enjoy the song by Shantanu of grade 4.
Hello everyone, I am Shantanu Arya. Happy Independence Day. Jayati Jayati Bharata Mata Bodhagita Nikhila Mata Vananirata Nata Jana Suhita Jayati 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 Sakala Jiva Samata Sadhu Sadhu Vidita Akhila Loka Pradita Paramananda Samudita Jayati Jayati Bharata Mata Bodhagita Nikhila Mata Vananirata Nata Jana Suhita अगणित गुणशीला अति दयाळ बाळ प्रकटित शुभ जाला परित प्राणलोला जयति जयति भारत माता भुजगीता निखिल माता वननिरता नत जन सुहिता जयति 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 Thank you everyone.
You bring a unique energy to the program that sets you apart, dear. Thank you so much. Over to Seema ma'am.
Thank you, Annapurna ma'am. Today, our heart is full of patriotism, and to express our feelings in few words, Rakshita is coming from grade 9.
माननीय अतिथि महोदय, आदरणीय प्राचार्य, सभी शिक्षकगण और मेरे दोस्तों को नमस्ते। हम आजाद हैं, ये आजादी कभी छीनने नहीं देंगे, तिरंगे की शान को कभी मिटने नहीं देंगे। प्रतिवर्ष 15 अगस्त के दिन भारतवासी स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। भारत को 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन वह सुनहरा आजादी प्राप्त हुई थी जिसका लोगों को वर्षों से इंतजार था। इस दिन भारत के प्रधानमंत्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने लाल किले पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराया था। लोग गुलामी की जंजीरों तोड़कर बहुत प्रसन्न हुए थे। भारत के लोग आज भी अपना स्वतंत्रता दिवस बहुत उत्साह से मनाते हैं। ये मत पूछो कि वतन तुमको क्या दिया, यह सोचो कि तुमने वतन के लिए क्या किया। प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर झंडा फहराकर राष्ट्र को संबोधित करते हैं। वे राष्ट्र को एकजुट रहने तथा अपनी स्वतंत्रता को बरकरार रखने की प्रेरणा देते हैं। लोग तिरंगा झंडा फहराकर एक दूसरे को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बधाई देते हैं। यह दिवस हमें अपना महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों तथा शहीदों का स्मरण करा जाता है। भारतवासी उनके बताए मार्ग पर चलने का संकल्प प्रकट करते हैं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस भारत के लोगों को आपसी मतभेद भुलाकर देश के नवनिर्माण की प्रेरणा देते हैं। लहू देकर तिरंगे की बुलंदी को संवारा है। फरिश्ते तू वतन के हो, तुम्हें सजदा हमारा है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Rakshita, for your golden words. Now coming up with group song by grade 6 students.
ಧವಳ ಹಿಮದ ಗಿರಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಅರುಣ ಧ್ವಜವ ಹಾರಿಸಿ, ಧವಳ ಹಿಮದ ಗಿರಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಅರುಣ ಧ್ವಜವ ಹಾರಿಸಿ, ಮುಗಿಲ ಏಣಿ ಏರಿ ನಿಂತು ವಿಜಯ ಬೇರಿ ಬಾರಿಸಿ ಬಾರಿಸಿ, ಸಿಂಧು ಕಣಿವೆಯೊಡಲಿನಿಂದ ವೀರಗಾನ ಮೊಳಗಲಿ, ಧ್ಯೇಯ ರವಿಯ ಕಿರಣ ತರುಣ ಹೃದಯ ಗುಡಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಲಿ, ಸಿಂಧು ಕಣಿವೆ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಲ್ಲು ಭಾರತ ದಿವ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭೆಯ ಬೀರುತ್ತ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಲ್ಲು ಭಾರತ ದಿವ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭೆಯ ಬೀರುತ್ತ ನವಳ ಹಿಮದ ಗಿರಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಅರುಣ ಧ್ವಜವ ಹಾರಿಸಿ ಮನವ ಹಸಿರುಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಿಹಳು ಭಾವಗಂಗೆ ಅನುದಿನ ಇಳೆಯ ಕೊಳೆಯ ತೊಳೆಯುತ್ತಿಹಳು ತಾಯಿ ತುಂಗೆ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣ ಮನವ ಹಸಿರುಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಿಹಳು ಭಾವಗಂಗೆ ಅನುದಿನ ಇಳೆಯ ಕೊಳೆಯ ತೊಳೆಯುತ್ತಿಹಳು ತಾಯಿ ತುಂಗೆ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣ ನೆರವಿದಮ್ಮ ಪಾವನ ಎನಿತು ಧನ್ಯ ಜೀವನ ನೆಲವಿದಮ್ಮ ಪಾವನ ಎನಿತು ಧನ್ಯ ಜೀವನ ಧವಳ ಹಿಮದ ಗಿರಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಅರುಣ ಧ್ವಜವ ಹಾರಿಸಿ ಮುಗಿಲ ಏರಿ ನಿಂತು ವಿಜಯ ಬೇರಿ ಬಾರಿಸಿ 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 ಬಾರಿಸಿ.
That was really sweet song by the girls. Thank you, girls. Over to Annapurna ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to request Mrs. Deepa ma'am to continue the proceedings with the display of fabric painting. Over to Deepa ma'am.
Thank you, Annapurna ma'am. Usually, kids and teachers come in costumes brought from shop based on the tricolors for the Independence Day celebration at school. This year, at Tapovan, our high school students actively participated in the tricolor fabric painting activity. Students unleashed their creativity and put their patriotic spirit on full display by using tricolor on fabrics, including t-shirts and handkerchiefs. Here are some of them for your display. One thing is for sure, we have some promising costume designers in the making at Tapovan. Thank you, students, for all your creative works. Over to Annapurna ma'am.
Art is created with the heart and built with the mind. Fantastic artwork by our children. We can feel your energy in this presentation, Deepa ma'am. You are so inspiring. A special thanks to Deepa ma'am. Now, I would like to call Master Purvaj of grade 3 for a wonderful song.
ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪೂರ್ವಜ್ ಗೌಡ VS. ನಾನು 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಂಥ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮದು, ಎಂಥ ದೇಶ ಎಂಥ ದೇಶ ಎಂಥ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮದು, ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಶಾಂತಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದಿವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು, ಸಿಂಧು ನದಿಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ದೇಶವೇ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ, ಮಹಾಕಾವ್ಯ ಬರೆದ ದೇಶ, ಯೋಗ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಜ್ಞಾನ ದೇಶ, ಎಂಥ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮದು, ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಶಾಂತಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದಿವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು. ಈ ರಕ್ತ ಮಣ್ಣು ಗಂಧ ಜನರ ಹೃದಯ ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ, ನದಿ ಜಲವು ಪರಮ ತೀರ್ಥ, ಪ್ರತಿ ರಾಜ್ಯವು ಪುಣ್ಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ, ಎಂಥ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮದು, ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಶಾಂತಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದಿವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
A big round of applause to Purvaj for a melodious song for us. Thank you, Master Purvaj. Over to Seema ma'am.
Thank you, Annapurna ma'am. Now we have tricolor craft display by our primary students of Tapovan. Over to Deepa ma'am.
Thank you, Seema ma'am. Our students once again explored their creative side with many ways and expressed their love for India by making unique tricolor craft works. First, the tricolor craftwork entries from Tapovan Nest by Riyan Das from UKG and Yashaswini from UKG. Then we have the craft work by our primary students. Craft helps us to show our creativity, and our students have left no chance for showing their creativity by using the tricolor papers and other materials in doing the craft. Entries from grade 2. Next, we have the craft work entries from grade 3. Next is the paper artwork entries from grade 4. Lastly, the craftwork entries from grade 5, the primary section. Thank you, Seema ma'am.
Thank you, Deepa ma'am and students for the colorful craft display. Over to Jayashree ma'am for PPT on renowned personalities.
Thank you, ma'am. There are so many different personalities in India who have done so much for the country that it's hard to choose just a few. So here we have two more entries from high school students talking about such great personalities. First, Jeevita from grade 8.
Good morning everyone. I am Jeevita from 8th standard. Today I am going to speak about a famous Indian athlete, Mary Kom. Mary Kom was born on 24 November 1982 in Khangati, Manipur. Her career and passion was boxing. She is the first Indian female boxer to win a gold at Asian Games in 2014 in South Korea. And she is also first Indian female boxer to win a gold at 2018 Commonwealth Games. She is also a member of Rajya Sabha. She has won many awards. A few are Padma Vibhushan in 2020, Padma Bhushan in 2013 and Padma Shri in 2006. She has been a very great inspiration to all married women and made our India proud. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeevita. Next, we have Kirtana from grade 9.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kirtana. Today I am saying about Sudhamurthy. Sudhamurthy has born in 1915 in Karnataka and taken computer science. She teaches computer science postgraduate students. She is a chairperson of Infosys Foundation and a member of Public Healthcare from Gates Foundation. She written novels, technical books, travelogues and collections of short stories. Her book Wise and Otherwise has been translated in 13 Indian languages. How I Teach My Grandmother to Read is her first book for children. It is a delightful collection of stories of real-life incidents from the author's life. Sudhamurthy received Padma Shri for her contribution to the economy and social welfare. In 1995, she is awarded as Best Teacher from the Rotary Club Bangalore. Sudhamurthy is an hero who wears smile, who carries service, who speaks love. She is another Mother Teresa to our India.
Thank you, Kirtana. Over to you again, ma'am.
Thank you, Jayashree ma'am, for the presentation. Now we have tricolor craft displayed by our high school students. Over to Deepa ma'am.
Thank you, Seema ma'am. Let me walk you through some wonderful craft creations by our high school students. First, the craft displayed by students of class 6. We have some amazing creations by the students of class 6 using paper, cardboard and other materials. Students have used the tricolor to the maximum to bring the effect of patriotism. Mera Bharat Mahan by Raghav Solanki of class 6 on your screen. Next we have the entry from class 7 by Navya, a beautiful paper craft using tricolors. Lastly, we have the entries of 8 students. So beautiful wall hanging pieces using tricolors by Ankita and Bhargavi. We also have a few other entries from class 8, including a tricolor earring by Niti. Our students have shown their patriotism as well as patience and creativity in all these craft work with all these wonderful creations. Next, we have Chandrakala and Arpita's craft display. From a little craftsman to our high school creative minds, our tricolor crafts are a feast for the eyes as they glitter in all their splendor. Thank you so much, students, for actively participating in our school activities. Thank you. Over to Seema ma'am.
Thank you, Deepa ma'am and students. Now, Jamuna of grade 5 will sing joyful song for us.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಜಮುನಾ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಹಾಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾವುಟ, ಮೂರು ಬಣ್ಣದಿಂದ ನಲಿವ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾವುಟ, ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡಿದು ತರುವ ಬಾವುಟ, ಗಾಂಧಿ ತಾತ ದುಡಿದು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಾವುಟ, ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯನ್ನ ಸ್ಮರಿಸಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಬಾವುಟ, ಭಾರತೀಯರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಿಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾವುಟ, ಹಾರುತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ
Thank you, Jamna, for the melodious song. Over to Annapurna ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to request Mrs. Jayashree ma'am to continue the proceedings on renowned personalities.
Thank you. As you know, as I mentioned before, there are so many different personalities. We now have two more personality entries from our high school students. The first is by Kishore of grade 9.
Namaste everyone, I am Kishore. Honorable Chief Guest, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I would like to speak few words about great businessman Ratan Tata, who is chairman of Tata Group. Ratan Tata is one of India's leading businessmen. Ratan Tata was born in Bombay on 28 December 1937 and is son of Naval Tata. Tata companies include Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Titan, etc. He showed immense strength and courage when he stood up unarmed and alone outside the Taj Hotel during the terror attacks and coordinated the activities to help the victims. He also personally visited the families of all the 80 employees who were killed or injured during the attack in 2008. As a philanthropist, Ratan Tata's reputation is unmatched. 65% of his shares are invested in charitable trusts, including the Tata Education and Development Trust, an affiliate of Tata Group which provided a $28 million Tata Scholarship to Cornell University to provide financial aid to undergraduate students from India. Ratan Tata also received many awards which include Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. This is what makes Ratan Tata an inspiration for many. We Indians are proud to have such great person. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Kishore. Next we have
Namaste.
Lavanya from grade 10 talking about C.V. Raman.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to talk about the first and the most famous scientist, that is Sir C.V. Raman. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, more popularly known as C.V. Raman, was born on 7th November 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. He completed his education in Presidency College, Madras, and became a physicist. He studied about light scattering and was the first Asian person to win the Nobel Prize in 1913 for his work in physics. The phenomenon is now called as Raman scattering and is a result of Raman effect. To show respect for his work, National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th of February. He died of natural causes in his institute garden surrounded by flowers. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954. Thank you.
Thank you, Lavanya. Over to you again, Simama.
Such a great presentation by our children. Thank you, children. Dance is the joy of movement and art of life. Now I would like to call primary children to give a dance performance.
Hi everyone, my name is Purvika. I am studying in first standard. Hi everyone, my name is Inja. I am studying in sixth standard. We are doing A Mera India dance. Hi everyone, my name is Simpana.
Thanks for the wonderful performance, children. Over to Seema ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, all are waiting for the quiz winners announcement. Now I request Lavanya ma'am to announce Alpha Council quiz winners from Tapovan.
Good morning, everyone, and respected dignitaries. I'm Lavanya here. I take this opportunity to introduce our newly elected council for the year, which is named as Alpha Council. As part of activities pertaining to Amrit Mahotsav, the newly elected members of Alpha Council had organized an Independence Day quiz on 13th of August. Topics range from freedom struggle, great personalities, and in fact, everything about our great country. Students participated enthusiastically, and we had also thrown this quiz open to more Interact clubs. Now, I take this opportunity to announce the winners. So I know like all the winners are students waiting for the results, and these results are based on the categories, like we have divided classes from 3 to 5, class 6 to 8, and class from 9 to 10. So here we have the winners list. So winners list goes like this. So first category from 3rd to 5th, we have Jamuna of class 5, and from category 6 to 8, we have Sohan from class 7, and 9th to 10th, we have Archana of class 10. So other Interact clubs also participated, and again we have categories of same. So starting from class 3rd to 5, we have Saida Alina, who belongs to class 4, and from class 6 to 8, we have S. Srinidhi, and class 9th, 10th, we have Diksha Shinde. Thank you. Over to you, Seema ma'am.
Thank you, Lavanya ma'am, for the winners announcement. Now I request Janki ma'am, our high school HM, to introduce our guest, Dhirendra Kumar sir.
Excuse me, ma'am. Before that, I'll just take this opportunity to also show the certificate made by our Alpha Council. So this is the e-certificate to all the winners who will be getting, and this will be the participation certificates. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lavanya ma'am. Now I request Janki ma'am, our high school HM, to introduce our guest, Dhirendra Kumar sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ITB ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಧೀರೇಂದ್ರ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಇವರು ನಮಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನೆನಪೇನೆ ಇದೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 100 ಜನ ವೀರ ಯೋಧರೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ 2019ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ನಿಮಿತ್ತ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 1 ತಿಂಗಳ ಕಾಲದವರೆಗೆ ಬೀಡನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಇವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನೇ ಒತ್ತೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಗಡಿ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶತ್ರುಗಳಿಂದ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಥವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಕುರಿತು ಹೇಳುವ ಪರಿಚಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಂದು ದೇಶದ ಒಳಗಡೆಯ ಜನರು ನಾವು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಿಂದ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂತಹ ಯೋಧರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನ ಒತ್ತೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಗಡಿಯನ್ನ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವರು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅವತ್ತಿನಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಕರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೊಟ್ಟು ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕುರಿತು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Respected Vani Sharma ma'am, Xavier Sharma sir, Team Tapovan, and all the students of Tapovan School. I wish you all a warm and happy Independence Day. In 2018, I, along with my ITBP personnel, were on election duty in Karnataka, and my men were accommodated in Tapovan School for election duties. During the stay in Tapovan and interaction with sir and ma'am, I realized that they have used their vast experience, knowledge, and efforts to develop this wonderful institution called Tapovan to give the best of education to the children. Hats off to their sincere efforts in serving the nation and in nation building. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now we have introduction about our school president, JVR Sharma, sir, by Janki ma'am.
ನನಗೆ ಈ ಅವಕಾಶ
Hello everyone.
ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Very good morning. I am JVR Sharma, the president of the school. I have gone through the program and everybody has presented an excellent view of their talent and I appreciate. And this is the occasion to remember and keep up the prestige of the country. The Sanatana Dharma, what is the topic which has been taken today, is very relevant in these times. This, out of the 96 approximately of the cultures of the world today, which are considered to be ancient by the World Organization, only one culture which is still living, that is Indian culture. We are proud of that for keeping up the tradition and the culture of this country. And it is our endeavor now to keep up this culture for the future generations to come. And I wish everyone will take a promise to do this in their in the interest of the future of the generations of this country. Thank you all. And I appreciate everyone who has participated in this program and who made it a great success. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your golden words. Over to Annapurna ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. We are at the end of the program. Now I would like to call Mrs. Shilpa ma'am to give vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. कोई भी देश perfect नहीं होता, उसे perfect बनाना पड़ता है. Yes, I am proud to be an Indian. Let me tell you two words. Thank you. I'm not enough to appreciate our freedom fighters and our army's contribution to safety of India. We are proud of you. Because of you, we are safe. We are proud of you and your sacrifice. Now, we are highly grateful to our chief guest, Dr. B.D. Patel sir and Mr. Virendra Kumar sir for giving their valuable time for us and sharing their thoughts with us. I would also like to thank our school founder, JVR Sharma sir and principal Dr. J. Vanik Sharma ma'am, our high school HM, Janki ma'am and primary HM, Geeta Rao ma'am. Along with you, I would also like to thank all the teachers, students and staff members. You are the key to the success of this event. You were there from start, from planning to execution. Last but not least, I would also thank the 3 teachers who have worked behind the screen, creating the online version of the whole program. Thank you, Jayashree ma'am, Deepa ma'am and Lavanya ma'am. Let us have a big round of applause for all. Thank you all. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Shilpa ma'am. Thank you all for participating in the celebration with us and encouraging our students. Thank you once and all.